Hi children, let us know about good habits. Here is a sweet poem about after a bath. This boy has just taken the bath. Let us see what he says. After my bath, I try to wipe myself till I am dry. Okay, what he's saying? After my bath, I try to wipe myself till I am dry. When you take a bath, the total body will be wet. This boy says he tries to wipe with the towel till his body is dry. There is no water, there is no wet on his body. After my bath, I try to wipe myself till I am dry. Wipe means clean, rub with the towel. Next again he says, hands to wipe and fingers and toes. Hands to wipe and fingers and toes, and two wet legs and a shiny nose. What he is trying to make dry? Hands to wipe, two little hands to wipe, and the fingers, and the water in the fingers, and toes. Here is water. You have to wipe them to dry. There's a small cute shiny nose. You have to clean. You have to wipe your nose as well. This is what this boy is saying. He's saying correct, right? We all should wipe like what this boy is doing. Drying his body, wiping with the towel. And still he says, just think how much less time I would take if I were a dog and could shake. Just think how much less time I would take if I were a dog and could shake. Yeah, funny. Have you seen when a dog gets wet, what it does? It just simply shakes. It simply shakes its body. When it shakes, all the water will fly away or drop down. So this boy is thinking, this wiping and all is all big burden. If I were a dog, I could shake. But unfortunate, oh baby, you're a boy and you have to wipe with towel. You can shake, but the water will not go away until you try to make it dry. This is a good poem by Aline Fisher. Okay, in this, what we have learned? Bath. What is the spelling of bath? B-A-T-H. Bath. And when you make bath, you will become wet. Wet. W-E-T. Wet. And you have to wipe it. W-I-P-E. Wipe. To make it dry. So dry spelling D-R-Y. Wet means water. Dry means no water. And you see try. Just if you put a towel, will water go? Will your body get dry? No. You have to try and wipe it. Then only your body will be dry. What is this he is using to wipe his body? This is towel. What is towel? T-O-W-E-L. Towel. You always use soft cotton towel to wipe your body perfectly. And what is wiping? Hands. Hands. H-A-N-D-S. Why he is saying hands? Because you have two hands. This is one hand. This is another hand. Okay? If it is one, you call hand. If anything more than one, you add s to make it plural. So, if he is wiping his both hands. And fingers and toes. These are fingers, and this is toe. And these two are legs. L-E-G-S. This is one leg, this is one leg. Two legs together, you call them legs, right? And the shiny nose. This is small cute nose. Nose is N-O-S-E, nose. And in this, we know the spelling of dog, D-O-G, dog. And another thing this boy wants to do is shake, shake, shake. What is spelling of shake? S-H-A-K-E, shake. You all try to shake your body after the bath and see what happens. Okay children, when you are taking bath, you must save water. You should not keep the tap open to waste water. You must save water. And about your body, how many hands you have? 2. How many legs you have? 2. How many eyes you have? 2. How many ears you have? 2. 1 and 2. And how many nose you have? It's only 1. And how many fingers you have? 5 on this hand and 5 on this hand. 5 plus 5. Total 10 fingers. Toes, how many you will have? That is foot fingers. You will have 5 on each foot. So total you will have 10. And one more thing. Suppose you come out of bathroom and the water spills here and there, then there are chances that you may slip. You may slip or someone else may slip. That is dangerous. So, you should wipe in the bathroom and you should not spill water anywhere else. Tell me children, why we should take bath? You all take bath daily, right? You must be. A bath is most important thing to wash and clean our body. It is maintaining hygiene to our body. It's maintaining hygiene of our body. If you don't take bath, the hygiene will not be maintained and you will smell bad. That is the cause for illness and other diseases. So you must take bath regularly. Okay children, let's have more fun in the next class.